Being the first female professional engineer of my conservative community in Rajasthan, I have broken all the barriers possible for a woman to do so and fight the climate change battle to save the planet. Be it in terms of becoming the first female engineers or fighting the climate change in the regional language, it takes a lot of gates that are to be broken. My initiative, Trust Electric Vehicle Awareness Oath program, breaks these gates and chains for the youth belonging to underrepresented and underprivileged society of our country and enter into the climate change fight which would be only won by all the people coming together and saving the planet, not by just few elite that get this prestigious privilege to fight the climate change in the elite institution. Majority of the people in entire global south belong to this few elite institute that are fighting the climate change, which will ultimately lead to the losing of the battle. And they need majority of people there to enter into this battle as leaders. Hence, this program is personally related to me. So far, I have trained more than 5,000 youth across India, and now I am aiming to implement the same model in entire global south, wherein I will be collaborating with educational institute, training institute, local startup to set up their center of excellence or labs for hands-on training at the educational institute, wherein I would be acting as a facilitator of policies and standards and rules, explaining rules in the simplest form so that everyone can understand in their regional language. Hence, in the entire global south, it's just not the elite that will lead the climate change fight, but also the commoners, the underrepresented and underprivileged.